Welcome back to New Option Range, and today we're going to be shooting the revolver, the Ruger Wrangler 22 long rifle. I've shot it a few times. Nice little fun gun. Go ahead and shoot it and shoot some things and have some fun. We're out. Unload this ammo and put some more in there. Alright, we're all loaded up. Got a few things to shoot. Most of my targets fall over. Shoot that glass. The helmet. Oh, we out? Out already? Guess so. Alright, let's shoot these last 6 shots. Oh, hang on, I gotta get some targets. Alright, more targets up. Let's go ahead and shoot them. And we're out. Well guys, that was a Ruger Wrangler 22 long rifle. Very nice gun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.